just a quickie, just to show you how to get the best out of your acrylic paints. First of all, you need a palette. This is a makeshift wet palette. Just a plate with some kitchen roll on, which you need to make sure is wet, and having a squeezy bottle is the best way to do that. So you wet the paper. When you buy them, this is blotting paper, and then like a greaseproof paper over the top. Again, you can put a little bit of water on there just to dampen that, and that is your palette. We're going to do a basic colour wheel, because you can make all colours out of yellow, red and blue, your primary colours. So we've got yellow, and red, and blue. Don't get acrylic paint on your clothes because it won't come off, because even though it's water soluble as it is, so we've just got water in this jar, and we can make the paint, we can wash the paint with water when it's in its wet form. It's water soluble. Once it dries, it becomes a plastic, and so it becomes water resistant. So we'll start off with the yellow. So we have a yellow, and you can paint really thick with this so that it works like an oil paint, or you can put a lot of water with it and turn it into a wash. If we add a bit of red, a little bit of red to the yellow, then we get an orange. And again, you add some water and it becomes lighter, becomes like a wash. And there's the wash with the yellow. We add some more red to that. It gets darker. And we can get lighter with the water. And then we just have the red on its own. And then when you add blue to that, you can warm that red up. And it becomes more of a purple. A bit more. It becomes an even darker purple. And again, you can lighten that up. Lighten the tone of that by just adding water to it. And so it becomes more transparent. And again, the same. So it becomes a lighter tone. And there's an even richer purple. A lighter tone. And then we've got the blue. And again, add the water to get a lighter tone. And if we add a little yellow to the blue, it becomes more of a turquoise. And you add more yellow. We start getting to more of a green. All the time having a look at this lighter colour. We add more yellow to get a lighter green again. Until we're just adding a little tiny bit of the blue to the yellow to get a lovely spring green. But in your pack of paints you've actually got a green, because greens, there's so many greens if you look out of your window. So that's your basic colour wheel. Obviously I haven't done the red. One missing there. But if you mix them all together, so if we take the blue and we mix it with the orange and the green, then we end up with a brown. So that's why when everybody mixes everything together, you end up with a brown. And if you mix your colours properly, if you are very careful with your colours and you get your balance right, you can actually make a black. You see, that's almost black. So you can get every colour from these three. Just your red, your blue and your yellow.